My name is Kelly Ward, and I'm the president and co-founder of Ward's Manufacturing.
My name is Kiffin Ward. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Ward's Manufacturing. So I'm a mechanical engineer. I went to URI and I got my start as an engineer doing sheet metal design. As the technology progressed and got more into what was available, realized that there was a great opportunity to acquire some of this new technology, the fiber laser cutter and a CNC press brake, and help service a lot of the companies in New England and across the country.
Only 2% of manufacturing businesses in the United States are owned by women. So another driving factor for my brother and I starting this business was to be, one more in that small percentage of women-owned manufacturing businesses, as well as a millennial-owned business, because the average age of a manufacturing owner is 62. And we need to make sure that we have the younger generations coming in, not just to work, but also to own and run these businesses. So when I first heard about the Green Manufacturing certification, I thought initially that it would be a great fit for us because our technology is state-of-the-art and very sustainable. Our fiber laser cutter can go 5 times as fast as traditional cutting methods. Then we're also 4 times as energy efficient.
Getting this equipment and using it in the way we do in this business, we know it's just about the most efficient way you could possibly make the parts that we do.
But beyond energy efficiency, we also think a lot about waste. So we have a nesting software that allows the fiber laser to cut as efficiently as possible so that it minimizes waste throughout the manufacturing process. And then what waste we do have, we recycle. So we were very excited about the certification. But I was initially concerned it was going to take a lot of time. We have done certifications in the past that took over a year. And this one only took a few hours to fill out the workbook. After we submitted, we heard back about being certified 2 weeks later. So it was a really efficient process, speaking of efficiency. So for us, sustainability is not just important to our own company, but it's also important to our customers. For example, once we got the Green Manufacturing certification, we're now able to use that certification to help our customers who are also manufacturers make sure that they are able to meet their own sustainability goals. And so by being a green manufacturer supplier to other manufacturers, we can help make sure that the supply chain is sustainable at every step.
We know that we're producing these parts in a way that's environmentally friendly, and also in being able to service local businesses in Rhode Island, in New England. We're cutting down a lot of transportation, and especially overseas transportation. All of that consumes a lot of energy. Being a local source that companies didn't have before really, helps cut down on energy consumption overall. So we're very proud to be first-generation Americans, first of all, and first-generation business owners. We work with a lot of great American second-generation, third-generation companies. That's something that we've always loved about businesses we know. So we really want to keep building this company and make it something that will be here for generations to come.